Okay, so here we come to the last part of the chapter, Stalinism and collectivization. So as we know कि वॉल्शेविक पार्टी को पहले रूल कर रहे थे लेनिन, उसके बाद स्टेलिन है. Now the period of planned economy was linked with the disaster of collectivization of agriculture. Now इस टाइम हुआ क्या था? The grain supply affected Stalin, who held the party after Lenin introduced the emergency measures. So Lenin के बाद the party was held by the Stalin. Yes, speculation has to be stopped and supplies confiscated. Due to shortage of grain, the decision was taken to collectivize farm. After 1917, land was given to peasants as they could not be modernized, and land was taken away and established state-controlled large farms. Now, the bulk of land and implements were transferred to ownership to collective farms. Yes, encouraged peasants resisted the authorities and destroyed their livestock. Many were deported and exiled. Now, in spite of collectivization, production did not increase. And इसका effect क्या हो गया कि devastating famine occurred, and when 4 million people died, many criticized the production of planned economy and consequence of collectivization, due to which they were imprisoned being innocent. Yes. Now the last one is the global influence of Russian Revolution and the USSR. Now in the many countries, communist parties were formed, and many non-Russian from outside the USSR participated in the Conference of People of the East, and the Bolshevik founded Comintern, an international union of pro-Bolshevik children. Now, the USSR had given socialism a global face by the time of the Second World War, and the style of government in the USSR was not in keeping with the idea of Russian Revolution. Though its industries and agriculture had developed and poor were being fed, the essential freedom to its citizens was being denied, and it was recognized that social ideals still enjoy the respect among Russians. Yes, so here we come to the end of the chapter. Question answers will be shared with you, and worksheet will be given to you. You have to solve it. Worksheet you have to solve it by yourself, and question answers will be given to you.